Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Not done one for a while, or it might be last week when you got the last video, but we haven't actually been on a site that we've not been to before for a while. So this is a new video for a new site we've not been to. So we're here. We're actually leaving today. This is the Thursday. We're going across today to Stolford Farm Meadows for the Motorhome Happiness meetup for the weekend. But we're here at Exmoor House Club camping site in Somerset. So it's a lovely CAMC site, about 66 pitches. So we're just here. Starlink's out, it's been out, been working for a few days, had a few problems with the van. I hit the roof somewhere, but that's neither here nor there. Less of those stories. It's I've had to patch the roof, but you know, I'll probably put some videos, some pictures in of what's happened on the roof. But yeah, suffice to say, be careful when you go to petrol stations. Make sure you fit. Anyway, this site is amazing. We've got loads of pictures. The blue ones are hard standing without awning. We're on white, which is hard standing with awning. But right here, literally, you know, this morning, literally from where we are, there we are on pitch 41, right across here to pitch 26, and down there, I don't know if you can hear that or not, is the river. Just see it, just in there. Maybe see it a bit better there. So the river goes all the way here, all the way around the site, round to where that house is there, and back out to the front. So literally you can walk it from here into the village. There's a co-op and everything. It's really good. So we are, say, pitch 41 here. You come in, there's the entrance. I'll show you that in a minute. So we go around here. There's loads of pitches. It's quite full actually. There were people here a couple of days ago and they've all left now. People around here have been here for a while. So there's the second shower block, second facilities block. So in there you've got showers and toilets and an L-Sam point, but no laundry. The laundry's in the first room when you come round. So there's all, you know, sort of good hard standing. There's no grass, I don't think. There's definitely no caravan, no tents allowed. You come all the way back round there. There's more pitches around that side. People in here in caravans, as I say. That's the other block. So we'll come round this way. It's quite early. It's about 7:20 in the morning on a Thursday. So I'm trying to do this video before people wake up. And I don't like filming when there's a lot of people around because it's not embarrassing. It's just it's not nice for them, is it? Because they want their privacy. They're on holiday. So I'll have a quick walk around here. It goes down there as well and round. I'll put a picture of the map in. There you go, so hopefully you saw whereabouts we were on pitch 41. There's another tag axle here. There's not many. The rows coming in are quite thin, so you've got to be careful. The bridge over the river as you're coming through the entrance is really hairy to turn around in. So just be careful if you come here, but it's a beautiful site, it really is. So that's where we walked before. It comes round in like a circle. So here we have your service point. So you've got drinking water, wastewater, ladies' toilets in there, L-Sam point, your standard L-Sam point, where the poop goes. So gents in there. Right up at the front, there's a reception office. Yeah, what's in there? Oh, it was the information room. Yeah, not the biggest in the world. And then, so you can have post delivered. I had some Amazon post delivered. So food waste, that's quite good. And your recycling waste and your glass and things like that there. Thought that was a real owl. And then around this side, you've got the laundry room. And your standard fare, 2 dryers, 2 washing machines. So it's it's £5 a wash for 4 tokens, and then £1.25 for 15 minutes in the dryer. So probably at this time of year, what we now, almost September, you're looking at three tokens for your drying and 4 tokens for your wash. Your wash is about 30 minutes, 32 minutes, and it's good enough to wash whites at hot and bedding and things like that. So it is as I say, it's a caravan and motorhome club site, and it is Exmoor House club camping site. So you walk out, it's not barriered, there's a gate on but they don't close it. And then you walk, birdies, you walk up there where that red car is, and then round the corner, and that's the village. Dulverton, I think it is, without being a Somerset accent, Dulverton. But I'll put the address on in the comments, in the description, and you can see whereabouts it is. As I say, it was quite hairy coming in here because there's a very sharp left-hand turn to get in. And yeah, we managed it, and obviously the Conti doing the Tayats will manage it as well. So yeah, it's been a good site. We've been here since Sunday. No, the bank holiday Monday. The bank holiday Monday. That's right, because we left. Where did we go? Oh, we went to Malvern Hills club campsite for one night, and that was the Sunday. We met some lovely people there. I believe Sandra and Royden. Yes, the newest members, I believe, of the band club and possibly motorhome happiness. But they were lovely. We spent a few minutes talking to them, and they came to have a look at the van, and we had a nosy in theirs, which was quite good. So yeah, so this is it. So this is Exmoor House club camping site in, I'm sure, Dulverton. I will, as I say, put the details up in the description of the video. And that's it. It's very, very small, very quiet. When I woke up this morning, the sky was dark and the stars were out. It's like a dark sky site. But obviously the poles here have got lights on them, so it's not completely pitch black. It's lit to that sort of level, to waist level. But yeah, it's very enjoyable. It's been very peaceful. The Starlink has been working at about, I don't know, 150 megabits. It dropped slightly to about 1 meg. Very, very slightly, I don't know, for about 2 minutes, possibly, as it was doing an update or something. Maybe it was tracking, I don't know. But other than that, we managed to get 2 of us doing a full week's worth of work almost. To say we've been here the bank holiday Monday, and we did the Tuesday, Wednesday. Today's Thursday, we're leaving. We're going across to Ilfracombe, Woolacombe Way, just over Farm Meadows, which will be another video next, hopefully. And that's it, really. So, yeah, very quick video, just a very quick run round of what's on site. And I'll put some pictures in, if I've not already done so, of the facilities for the gents. I won't win the ladies because obviously that's not right. I'll make sure there's nobody in there to protect their privacy, because we don't like disturbing people's privacy. But all in all, a great site, very quiet, very easy to walk to the village. There's a chippy, there is a bookshop, there is a co-op and a post office, and the town hall's there as well. So it's very nice site, very nice area. We're coming again, hopefully, but I don't know when. But on that note, I wish you farewell. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to the channel if you would like. It's free. We're trying to build up our base. We've got just under 100 at the moment. As the time is recording this video, we've got about 97 subscribers, which is not a lot, but it's adequate for what we do. Like the video, leave us a comment. Have you been here before? Are you coming? It's well worth it. And yeah, that's it. So we'll see you. in the next one. Goodbye.